Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Have you ever had a meeting where you needed a projector for sharing materials, a board for collaborative brainstorming, another monitor for video conferencing, and too many wires? Let me show you an easier way. Introducing the Dahua Deep Hub Lite series. The Dahua Deep Hub is a smart interactive whiteboard. It has an intuitive user interface with 4 home screen icons: screen sharing, whiteboard, file manager, and more. The compass menu includes quick access to the home screen for convenient navigation, as well as additional functions such as return, whiteboard, windows, annotate, and file manager. Double tap the screen with 2 fingers to bring the compass menu directly to you. There are also 2 side navigation bars for easy access to the home screen or to return to the previous page. It also provides a tools menu containing shortcuts for annotation, screen sharing, screenshot, QR code sharing, timer, camera, energy saving mode, eye care mode, brightness and volume adjustment, as well as a touch lock, screen lock, and power mode. Finally, you can use this icon to access background apps. You may close them individually or collectively. Screen sharing and projection have never been easier. The Deep Hub USB dongle provides an easy connection between your devices. When you first use the USB dongle, pair it by connecting it to the Dahua Deep Hub. Once the dongle shows a solid blue light, the pairing has been established. Then, simply plug the dongle into your laptop and press the button to sync it up. The Dahua USB dongle provides a wireless connection without needing to connect to the same Wi-Fi network as the Deep Hub. You can also use the traditional HDMI connection. Let's say you want to sync up your mobile phone or tablet. Download the eShare app and type in the code above or scan the QR code. You can also connect through AirPlay. The Dahua Deep Hub supports up to 4 screen shares at once. Notice an error in your presentation and want to make a quick fix? Reverse Touch allows you to interact with your device through the Deep Hub itself, saving time and effort when editing documents and other files. It's also a convenient way to incorporate participation in classroom settings. When connected to the same network, multiple students can use their phones, tablets, or laptops to interact with the Deep Hub. When generating new ideas, brainstorming, or writing other content, you should use something that can keep up with your thoughts. Here's where the Deep Hub Smart Interactive Whiteboard comes in. You can use your hand or the magnetic stylus to write your ideas or draw shapes to help organize your thoughts. The pen comes in 3 different styles with a variety of thicknesses and a multitude of colors. You can use the Various Shapes tool to create quick outlines and mind maps with ease. Use your hand to erase what you don't need. You can also select the eraser tool to use the stylus for smaller details. With the eraser selection tool, you can choose a particular section to remove it. You may also clear the whole board at once. In zoom mode, you can enlarge, shrink, and move around the board. The selection tool allows you to choose and alter a section which you can enlarge, shrink, rotate, and move. Activating dual writing mode allows multiple people to write together on the same screen. Let's say you want to take a moment to shift focus to another idea. Instead of erasing everything, you can create a new page. That way, your previous ideas and content are still there when you're ready to jump back into it. You can also insert images easily, creating your own vision board to help inspire new ideas and creative thinking. Are you looking for a particular aesthetic? You can change the background to your preference with our classic color options. For remote classes, you could select the green background to create a familiar chalkboard experience. Sometimes we make mistakes and erase something we didn't mean to. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Use the undo button to go back in time and remedy that error. And you can always use the redo button if you go back too far. Compared to other devices, the Dahua Deep Hub provides a smooth and luxurious writing experience thanks to the zero air gap technology and low latency of less than 10 milliseconds. Use the compass menu to quickly annotate any page, great for noting additional details on content. There are several ways in which you can share and save your content. By enabling the encryption mode, you can control the access of sensitive materials via password protection. Connect to the same network as the Deep Hub to access a clear, detailed image of the content with QR code save. It allows you to capture all the details without the blur, weird angles, or glare you'd get from your phone. You can also save your content locally, directly to the Deep Hub, and access it again later on, thus reducing the need to continually record and amend meeting minutes manually. To access saved files, videos, and other media, go to the File Manager. The Deep Hub also supports USB, so you can upload additional media or apps, which you can find in the More section. Let me demonstrate by installing an APK from our USB drive. Virtual interaction is becoming the new normal. The built-in camera, which supports a maximum resolution of 180p at 30 frames per second, and microphones make remote communication and collaboration convenient and uncomplicated. As I mentioned earlier, the compass menu includes a Windows option. The Deep Hub supports dual OS, Android, and optionally Windows, so you have the choice to integrate Windows OPS with the Dahua Deep Hub. This allows you to seamlessly switch between the operating systems. And with the Windows OPS, you can include more productive tools by accessing the sites and apps you need easily, without additional laptops or wiring, for greater clarity, stability, and functionality. For example, popular video conferencing applications and their features. When your meeting has concluded or your lesson has ended, you can activate sleep mode by pressing the button on the side. If you're done for the day, long press the button to turn off the Deep Hub. Additionally, when you first receive your Dahua Deep Hub, you will need to turn on the system with the physical power switch. Overall, the Dahua Deep Hub is a smart interactive whiteboard equipped with amazing features to help deepen collaboration and increase productivity. Great for offices, classrooms, and more. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.